It's no coincidence how these numbers grew so quickly over the last 4 decades. It was in 1971 when Richard Nixon, a Californian, declared the war on drugs as a backlash to massive shifts in cultural values. Attorney General Eric Holder was right when he recognized the adverse fiscal and moral and social impact that the war on drugs and minimum mandatory sentences are having on our society. And since the 1970s, our learning curve on the war on drugs has cost the taxpayers in excess of $1 trillion and counting. And that's not even the most significant cost to our failed policies. Over that same period of time, the United States of America has spent over $120 billion to arrest some 37 million people for non-violent drug offenses. Think about that. Nearly the entire population, the equivalent of the entire population of our great state. 1.5 million people. They were arrested in this country in 2012 alone for nonviolent drug offenses, over half for marijuana.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and squishy.